If you want to change the lock screen clock on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can open settings on your phone. Next, in the settings, we're going to proceed to the home screen, lock screen, and style. The first thing that you can do is you can use a different theme. Over here we have some couple of different Flux themes, and as you can see, some of them contain different styles for the clock. You can also tap on all Flux themes in order to find all different available themes with different clocks. As you can see, we can have this huge clock on the lock screen if you want to, and then from that point, once you add the clock, then you should be, the theme, then you should be able to customize the clock on the lock screen. So you can tap on that clock, and depending on the style, you might find different options. In the case of the standard style over here, we can add additional info over here, like the pedometer or the weather information. We can also slightly adjust the position of the clock, and also what you can do is you can change the font, the style of the font, the thickness of the font, and also colors. So we can tap on one of these colors and you can adjust colors that you have on the lock screen for the clock. We can also synchronize it with these three options at the beginning. And there we go. So once you are done with the customization, of course, you will have to apply these changes. Unfortunately, it seems that you cannot really zoom in or zoom out, make the clock bigger or smaller. You can just simply use these additional options that we have available after tapping on the clock. So let's use the apply button, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.